Welcome to my official sit down video. Welcome to my channel, Gabaldon Unsta, aka Unati. Welcome very much to my first sit down video. I'm repeating myself because the names. Welcome to Unsta's capsule. Please subscribe, follow, like, share my content. Thank you so much for making the time. Okay, I'm so excited to sit down video namhlanje because I am doing an unboxing. Takealot. There's a few items that I got from Takealot. Two items because yay, we are living when you're done. So I'd appreciate it if you would really follow my channel. Follow my channel and also subscribe. Well, if following is subscribing, yeah. So please subscribe, please follow, please like, and help me get to 1,000 subscribers as well as 4,000 watch hours so that I can get my channel monetized and start making this money so that I can do more unboxings. Okay, let's get into it because I'm the video. So item yokuqala is this wireless microphone. Nancy, I'm using it, so I think Nancy is very excited because I am using the microphone. Reason why I'm had to get a microphone is because I am creating content from my phone. I have iPhone 11 plus, I think. Yes, it's very good. I have to say, so good that it's a problem because it picks up everything. Meaning, if someone is in the kitchen or in the other room singing, so I needed this for noise cancellation. Okay, I think it's working. I'm testing it out, so I'll see. Hopefully it works. I did test it when I got it in Malanga. But yeah, I think a litmus test will be this video when I'm editing it to post it to YouTube. So I got this from Takealot. I think it was 369 Ibigo special. And Goku, when I checked it again, it's retailing for 399. The reason why I wanted a wireless is because I just wanted to make sure that I don't want a lot of cables running around a mini studio. Anyway, yeah, so super excited about this. I got an order and they placed it on the 17th, and then I got my package today, and today is the 23rd of June. Right now, the second thing that I got is this. This is Outlander-Diana Gabaldon. Now, the reason why this is part of purchase yam is because I couldn't find this book in a library. I'm currently reading Lena incwadi Diana Gabaldon, A Breath of Snow and Ashes. This I got from my local library, but I couldn't find Lena or Outlander. Oh, I also took the Drums of Autumn as well out, but I'm gonna be starting to read this. I'm gonna be reading this this one, but okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm going to create another video where I'm talking exclusively about Outlander, but I'm gonna just go into quickly the reason why I got this here because I couldn't find it in a library, but now I realize why. I couldn't find it. It's because the first book that she wrote was called Cross Stitch. I'm only seeing this now. But I'm not too traumatized about the fact that in the end has Takealot because this is based on season 1 of the Outlander series. So currently we are in season 7. So I think it's a good investment, which I can always, because season 1, I don't know how many times I've watched season 1 Outlander. I am obsessed. So I think having this in my disposal all the time, it's not a bad idea. So I've started reading it already. So that's why I'm thinking about this one. Probably I'll finish it next week, because definitely this weekend this is going to just be me and this baby, and already I am on page 93 as it is. All right, so that is it. There's nothing else. As I said, siphila kwi-era ye-New Dawn, and in New Dawn yeah, iphelele apha. Anyway, yes, please subscribe, because I don't want this video to be long as well. So please subscribe again, and thank you very much for taking the time to consume my content. I would really appreciate your follow, your share, and also your comments. Otherwise, on to the next one. I will see you later. Bye.